Okay, we got a nice looking house here and he's moving around, but I think his roof should be red, don't you? So let's do that. So we head over to pen and we're going to set the pen color and we're going to drag it in. So from this point on, it's going to make it purple. But it's missing a house. It's missing a section for the roof here. So how do we add that in there? Well, all we have to do is move Scratchy over to here and go into the glide. So it's in events, no, control. Oh, where is it? Glide, there we are. Grab glide, put him in, and let's see how he looks. Let's change this to 0.5 so it's the same. Let's see if it works. There we go. So we've got a nice looking house. Got a little bit here, so all we'd need to do here is go up to this one here and pause that, so we could maybe come in here and move them just a little bit up. So we want to do, say, move, so we've got the Y there. So let's see if that works. With a little bit of tweaking, we can see how it looks now. Looks a little bit better. Maybe we can come in and just looks a little bit better there, and we've got the nice purple house there. Now, what I think what's missing is this background. It's nice, it was useful, X, Y, but we want to change it. So we're going to click on stage and backdrops. We're going to come in here and we're going to pick a nice background. Lots of lovely choices here. I think it'd be perfect to have a nice house in the desert. I'm going to press OK, and there we are, and we've got a lovely house in the desert there that anyone would be proud to live in. Scratchy looks real happy. So as you can see, you've learned how to move things around, how to use the different scripts and backdrops, and we've used pen and we've used events, we've used control. So we've done quite a few things. In the next section, we're going to dive deeper now that you know the basics, and if you can finish that in your video and have your first project done and share your project. I'll see you in the next section.